mystery of mango skin. Surprising facts behind the thin layer we discard. Have you ever eaten a mango, and the part you immediately throw away is the skin? It seems like skin is just a worthless piece of trash. But is that really true? What's really going on beneath this thin, yellow layer? Slowly but surely, it became clear what the real appearance of the mango skin was like under a microscope. It was truly an extraordinary sight. What you see on the yellow skin of this mango are brownish spots. Up close, even up close, the world of mango skin turns out to be a mini universe full of surprises, secret defenses, and mysterious signals. Today, we're going to dive into our little laboratory and reveal all its secrets. Get ready, because what you see might change the way you look at mangoes forever. Let's start with the most basic question. Why does this mango skin feel so thin? When I examined it under a microscope, it became clear that this layer, called the exocarp, is perfectly designed. It's thin and elastic, and for good reason. Its job is to protect the sweet, juicy flesh inside from impact, attack, and rapid water loss. However, its thinness actually works to its advantage. It allows the fruit to breathe and ripen perfectly. Think of it like a knight's super light armor. However, behind this seemingly simple thinness lies a storehouse of nutrients that we often overlook. So, what nutrients are hidden within this thin fortress? The answer is surprising. Mango skin is a fiber superhero. Its fiber content is much higher than the flesh of the fruit. It is also filled with vitamin C, vitamin A, and powerful antioxidant compounds, such as polyphenol and triterpenes. Some studies even suggest that compounds in mango skin have the potential to fight cancer cells. But where does this bright yellow color come from? It's nature's code for ready to eat. When young, mango skin is green due to chlorophyll, a pigment for photosynthesis. As it ripens, this chlorophyll breaks down. Well, behind that green, all this time, carotenoid pigments have been hiding, especially beta-carotene, just like in carrots, which finally shows itself and shouts, "I'm sweet, I'm ripe." But even on this smooth surface, we always find tiny details. Look at the tiny specks scattered around. What are they? Under a microscope, they look like miniature towers. Those are the oil or resin glands. These are the mango's natural scent factories, producing fragrant compounds, and also defense posts that secrete sap to repel pests. The presence of these spots is actually a sign that the mango is natural and healthy. However, be wary of another sign, light brown spots. This is a different story. These spots are often the result of a fungal invasion, such as fusarium or anthracnose, attempting to infect the fruit. If the small spots were protective soldiers, then these brown spots are battle wounds. This is a sign that the decay process may have begun at that point. Have you ever held a ripe mango and felt a bit sticky? That's the trace of the oil gland factory. The sap it releases contains a compound called urushiol. Now, this name might sound unfamiliar, but it's the same compound found in poison ivy. That's why some people can experience an itchy rash after touching mango skin. This brings us to the biggest question. With all its nutritional and potential risks, can we eat mango skin? The answer is yes, but extra care and preparation are needed before eating the skin. Nutritionally, it's a brilliant move. But practically speaking, you should ensure the mango is washed thoroughly to remove pesticide residue and reduce the sap. And most importantly, know your own body. If you have a history of allergies, it's best to avoid it. For most of us, the safest way to enjoy its benefits is by blending it into a smoothie, which masks the texture and bitterness. So, this thin mango skin is more than just a wrapper. It's the fruit's diary, a defense system, a nutrient repository, a ripeness signal, and a casualty of its battle against disease. Next time before you throw away the mango peel, perhaps you could pause and appreciate the incredible complexity of the vast universe that lies within your grasp. What do you think of the previous discussion? Were these facts surprising to you? Have you ever tried eating mango skin? Or have you experienced an allergic reaction? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you're curious about the scientific mysteries of other everyday objects, hit the like button and subscribe because we'll be exploring more. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest videos. See you again in the next science adventure video that will further pique your curiosity about what's around you.